Playtime with Scotland. Hi everybody, today my baby Lola is sleeping. Everything is fine, she's just sleeping in today. I need to wake her up, but first I need to make her breakfast. I am going to go downstairs and color some paper to make baby Lola some food and get her bottle. Okay guys, let's go. So guys, we're going downstairs now. Time to make my baby Lola some blueberry juice. I use my blue marker to make the color for the juice. Uh-oh, I need to wipe the table off now. Aw man, I should use a paper plate. My daddy doesn't look happy. Now let's go back upstairs. Time to feed baby Lola her breakfast. Now I need to get some water. I'm using my water bottle. It's really hard to open. Got it. Put the blue paper inside and add a little water. Let's go get it from the bathroom. Now I have some water. I don't want to spill, so I'm being very careful. Pour the water in very carefully. It's pretty blue. I can't forget to put the lid back on. Now it's time to mix it. Let me get my spoon. Mix it all together really good. Now I'm gonna close the lid all the way. Tighten the top so it doesn't spill. And go wake up baby Lola. I don't really know where to put her. I'm not sure where her high chair is. So I decided to use her stroller. That works. Open up the bottle of the blueberry juice. Feed her a little. All done. And now it's time to change her diaper. I'm going to lay her down for just a minute so I can go get baby Lola a diaper. First I have to get the diaper ready. Almost forgot. Baby Lola loves TV. So I let her watch it while I change her diaper. I like this show too, so we watched together. The show is over, now Lola wants to watch something else. She can watch, but it's time to finish changing her diaper. First we need to take off her pajamas. And then her dirty diaper. Take off her warm jacket. I accidentally grabbed too many diapers. So I need to put the extra one back. I make good money, but diapers are expensive. Now, I put the diaper on baby Lola. First, I do the right side. Make sure it's on really good. Then I do the left side. Secure the diaper like you secure the bag. Baby Lola loves when they rub her arms. Baby Lola also really likes Mickey Mouse. I got her some pink socks to wear and a cute bottom. That sounds funny. I got Lola a onesie instead. There's a baby chicken on the onesie. It's so cute. Now time to put on the onesie. Oops, wrong leg. First I do the left leg. Then I do the right leg. Almost on. Now I flip baby Lola over. I need to button her up. The buttons on her onesie is a nightmare. Something isn't right. That's okay. The goal is progress, not perfection. We are all done. And now baby Lola is ready for bedtime. I don't want her to be chilly, so I'm gonna go and put her jacket back on. Do the right arm first. And now do the left arm. I decided not to put her socks back on. Pick her up. Now I need to find her a baby song. This one sounds perfect. Let's put it on the bed. Can't forget her elf. Get her nice and comfy. Now we need to be very quiet. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and hit the like button. Bye guys!